Keep them coming.
Yo, bro, where are your friends, man? I got something going on this coming Saturday, man. Nah, I mean like I got something going on, man, this coming Saturday, man. Sorry, man, so I hope you're good. And how's your experience for 2025 so far, man? I want to know.
So far, ngilambile, angadli, ngishela iroom nabantu.
No, bro, like I know you guys are tired with your friends and so bengifuna kun invite there's this 113th anniversary ANC, man, the January 8th statement it's going down 25 January 2025, man. It will be lit, man, I promise you. The chairperson speaks there about CDE Mhlonishwa, man, will be addressing like everyone. So it's going down, man. Not everyone that you know, man, the favorite artists will Kabza the Small, Botoni, this Charisma, man. It's going down. This DJ Kofi, this my board and Lilo and TK. So man, it's gonna be nice, man. So I'm gonna invite her with your friends so you guys can come over.
Ingoma yakhe yema 2000 kuphela wathi yoma 80s yoma 90s masebenzi yonke izihambe zofa sihamba mthandeni siyakofa ingoma yakhe lesigushi manje nasekhaya ngiva ngathi isiligushi ligushe le Paris ngitha nyalo ngiva ngathi Peter futhi uyena ngoba uJesu athi angafuna ngoma 2000 thina sihamba stadium zobona Kabza nesimoya nabodoni nabo nothembi.
I-African National Congress ithi asihlanganeni ke ku-113th anniversary yabo letaba ke ikuphi Gamure Stadium Kamerevier ngo-7 ekuseni ngeti-25 January ku-January 8 statement sabo lapho ke atobe akhuluma ke chairperson CDE Mhlonishwa kani ke kutabe kumnanzi ngobe kutaba kunama-artist ke leni wathanza kaKabza the Small noThembi Mkhwebane Charisma Doni Ngwenyama ke na DJ T kuka nalabanye labanyendi asihlanganeni khona ke eKamerevier Gamure Stadium lapho ke ku-region ya Dr. JS Moroka nge-7 ekuseni nifike early ke ngesikhathi.